What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Xiaomi Smart Band 7 fitness band with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its features, highlighted specs, design, build quality and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So here we go. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. On the front side we got this huge image of the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Mi branding. It comes with an AMOLED display, 24/7 blood oxygen saturation monitoring, that's SpO2. It comes with multiple watch faces and an ultra long battery life. It also comes with more than 100 exercise modes along with performance evaluation. Once you are finished with the exercise, it is 5 ATM water resistant. It comes with sleep tracking and magnetic charging cradle. And the smart band we got inside this retail box is black in color. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Here we got a user manual and then we got the magnetic charging cradle. So these are the only stuff we got inside the retail box of Xiaomi Smart Band 7, the smart band, the charging cradle and the quick start guide. Xiaomi Smart Band 7 in black color. As you can see, there is no physical button provided to switch it on, so I will have to use the charging cradle to power it up, and after that I will have to do the setting and all. That's a pretty time consuming process, so I'm going to make a separate video where I will talk about how to set up and configure the Xiaomi Smart Band 7, and I will go through every single feature of the device along with all of the settings and configuration that you can use to get the full benefit of the Xiaomi Smart Band 7. So right now I'm just gonna set up the device and after that we will continue our video. But if you are interested in knowing how to configure the Xiaomi Smart Band 7, how to make it work, how to connect it with your smartphone and to know all about its features in full detail, then do not forget to watch my upcoming video. Better to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. So now the setup of Xiaomi Smart Band 7 is done and we are good to go. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got a 1.62-inch AMOLED display. Even though it comes with good amount of bezel at the bottom, if you are using a dark background wallpaper, then it gives the impression of having edge-to-edge display that looks quite beautiful and premium. It weighs just 13.5 grams, so it's pretty lightweight and you won't feel any discomfort if you wear the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 24/7. The silicone strap is soft, smooth, comfortable, and once again you won't feel any irritation or any issue if you continuously wear the Xiaomi Smart Band 7. And the straps are replaceable because Xiaomi has also sent me this additional strap for Xiaomi Smart Band 7. So it gives the indication that you can easily swipe the strap of Xiaomi Band 7 depending on your mood and preference. At the bottom we got the Xiaomi branding, a set of sensors and the pogo pins for the charger. As I have already mentioned so many times, I will personally prefer if all of these smartwatches, smart bands, they come with a standard generic charging method like USB Type-C port, because if you lose this unique charger that comes with Smart Band 7, then you will have to buy a new one because you won't be able to charge the device and use it. There is no physical button provided on Xiaomi Smart Band 7 and to lit up the screen you will have to touch it. The device is 5 ATM water resistant, so you do not need to worry about any damage because of the water if you bring this smartwatch to the swimming pool or shower. Now talking about the display, we got a 1.62-inch AMOLED display with 326 ppi on Xiaomi Smart Band 7, and because of that the display quality is gorgeous. It is very sharp, bright and beautiful as it comes with 500 nits brightness and pretty good screen to body ratio. It comes with more than 100 watch faces that you can use on Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Few of them are pre-installed and few you can download using the Xiaomi's Mi Fitness application. The touch screen sensitivity is quite nice and you won't feel any issue while using the device because it is a big display and you will be able to read the notification etc. without facing any issue. Talking about the user interface, if you swipe from the top you will get the option to read all of the notification. If you swipe from the bottom, then you will go into the user menu where you will find all of these options, and if you swipe left and right you will get the tips, music player And I believe using the Xiaomi Mi Fitness application, you can even customize the cards, the pages you are getting on the smartwatch face. If you go to the app drawer, here you will find lots of options, as you can see. So it comes with vitality indicator, that is basically the pedometer information, and as you can see, everything is 0 because I just started using the device. Then what we got is the heart rate monitoring. It comes with 24/7 heart rate monitoring. After that we got is PI, that is the personal psychological activity index, that provides lots of information regarding your health and fitness based on your physical activities. And then we got the 24/7 SpO2 monitoring. We got the workout. It comes with more than 110 workout modes that you can use to track your physical activities, exercises, etc. And then we got the history, that will show all of your workout history. After that we got the workout status, that shows the VO2 max information that you can use to get in-depth information regarding your performance once you are done performing the exercise. And then we got the stress monitoring, sleep monitoring, weather. We got the music control, using which you can control the music being played on your connected smartphone. And then we got the alarm event, that is basically calendar. We got settings and more. If you go to settings, you will of course get lots of information and options that you can use to better use this device and improve your productivity. As I said, I'm going to make a separate video in which I will talk about all of these settings, how to configure the Xiaomi Smart Band 7, how to use all of these features. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. If you go to the more section, here you will find flashlight, female health. Then we got the option for breathing exercises, stopwatch, timer. Find my phone is a nice feature that you can use to detect your connected smartphone if it is out of your sight. We got the event reminder, and you can also use the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 as remote shutter for your smartphone camera. So I will make a separate video in which I will give the demo of all of these features, how to use them. But as you can see, we got plenty of options and health and fitness related features on Xiaomi Smart Band 7, whether it is 24/7 health rate monitoring, SpO2 monitoring, VO2 max monitoring, more than 110 exercise mode, women's health, stress monitoring, and you can also do some breathing exercises with the help of Xiaomi Band 7. So overall, Xiaomi Band 7 is looking a pretty solid smart band in its price segment, considering its gorgeous display, build quality, hardware-based health and fitness-related options and features, and the overall usability and functionalities. The in-depth and final review of Xiaomi Smart Band 7 will be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.